What's up guys, it's Matt from TDM Style here and welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Trendy Butler unboxing. Now, I know it's been a bit of a minute since the last time I did one of these, and actually they had reached out to me a while ago, like well over a month ago, and they said, hey, just wanted to let you know it might be a while before you get your next package because we're upgrading all of our warehouses, we're getting a bunch of new brands in and stuff, so I'm really excited to open this and see what new goodies might be awaiting us in there. So let's open it up and get started. All right, let's see here. Okay. All right. Ooh. So it looks like we have actually three things in here. It looks like there's a white t-shirt of some kind, a navy button-down, and a pair of charcoal gray, probably shorts. Yeah, so let's open this and see exactly what we have here. Okay, so I can see right away both this t-shirt and the button-down. Actually, wait a minute. Oh, all three items are the same brand. Okay, the brand is Tavik, T-A-V-I-K, Modern Beach Culture. So let's take a look at this T first. All right. Let's see. All right, so we've got the same symbol on the back as on the front, like, pocket area there. So this is their brand logo. It's pretty cool. This is a size large, though. I'm normally a medium, so this does look a little bit wide. So I'm not exactly sure how that's going to fit, but we shall see. All right, now the button down. This is also a size large. So, slightly concerned about that, but is this black or navy blue? I can't really tell. But I am, now that I'm looking at it really up close, I'll see if I can zoom in on this, but there is a small kind of light, like circle dot pattern on the fabric, which is cool. I like the kind of, I forget what that's called. I think it's called a besom pocket, like the no flap pocket. I like that. Material stitching feels nice. And I wonder if, is this like, this says origin India, but I noticed there's Japanese writing on the label. I wonder if it's a Japanese company. I'll have to look that up and maybe I'll put a little bit of a title thing on the screen or something if I have some information about that. The slogan on the top of the label here says, "The past and the future are non-existent." Okay. See if there's anything telling on the tag here. This says signature slim fit. Okay, so maybe it's possible that their stuff just runs a bit small, so maybe like the large will actually be more of a medium fit for me. We'll see. This tag says connecting the functionality of heritage workwear with modern aesthetic and design. Tavik is the product of timeless concepts clashing with a dark digital lifestyle. This is modern beach. Okay, interesting. Tavik.com. Okay, so I'll have to check that out and get some more information on it. All right, and lastly we have this pair of shorts. These are a 32 waist, so these should fit perfectly. Oh, there goes some tissue paper. These look nice. I really like the color because I don't currently have a pair of shorts in this kind of darker charcoal gray tone, and this obviously goes with a lot of different outfits. I like the stitch work. There's just like a little bit of cool accents and things. The material feels nice and thick, and like the stitching feels good, heavy weight. Let's see, Annex Plus Walk Short. Okay. Yeah, I mean, overall, like the construction seems like really good quality. Cool. Okay, so I like the looks of everything. I like the feel of everything. Like I said, I'm just a little bit concerned about the large size of the shirts, but we gotta try everything on and see how it all fits. All right, guys, so as you can see here, the t-shirt definitely is a bit too large for me, but I think a one size smaller would be a much better fit. I do like the branding, though, especially on the back. Now the button-down shirt is a little bit too big as well. It's not quite as large as the shirt. I mean, it does definitely have a slimmer fit through the body, but once again, I think one size smaller and a medium would be a much better fit for me. But overall, I do really like the shirt and especially the construction and design. The shorts, on the other hand, though, fit perfectly. They're very comfortable. They're like just the length that I like, so I do really like these. I like the construction. Again, they just feel very high quality, so I'm looking forward to pairing these with a bunch of different outfits. So that about wraps things up for this unboxing, guys. So it is a bit of a shame that those shirts are too large for me, but I'll just get in touch with them and see about exchanging them for smaller sizes because, like I said, I do like them. They're just too big for me. Now, if you haven't yet already, please do hit that subscribe button down below to keep up to date with all the massive amounts of upcoming content that I still have in my queue. And as always, thank you guys so much for coming by and watching, and we'll see you at the next one.